Welcome to House into Home. In this episode, I give you a tour of the project. The exterior is actually very, very Tudor style. I don't mind Tudor style. They're actually one of my favorite style of buildings, so this is going to be fun to work with. The rest of the property is comprised of 20 acres, including a 3,000 square foot barn where I will be storing my vehicles. Let's make our way inside. You'll notice something very unique about this house. It comes with a gargoyle, aka Daisy. Inside, you will notice it has not been updated since the 70s. You'll notice a lot of dated crown molding and some light fixtures, pretty tall and thick chair rail, but luckily a very nice set of stairs directly in front of the door. To the right of the entrance, you have this lovely living room, which leads to a equally as lovely dining room. You can tell the owners were fans of blue. The kitchen is probably the only thing that's been updated in the last 50 years. It was actually updated about 7 years ago. There's this nice window right off the kitchen here. The previous owners were very, very proud of their kitchen. It doesn't do it for us. So we're going to replace the kitchen. Beside the kitchen is this wonderful, wonderful room. I am so excited about this room. It's got a big old fireplace right there. It's got all wood walls, which we are actually keeping. It's got this bar, which is going. It's got these beautiful double doors out onto the deck with the view of the pond. This room is going to be my favorite room in the house. We're calling it the family room. There's a TV cabinet, which is definitely coming down. There's the fireplace. Look at it. Oh, it's gorgeous. We're not sure about the colors yet on the fireplace, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Daisy's enjoying a little fresh air. The plan is to actually vault this ceiling. There's nothing above the ceiling other than empty space with some insulation. So we're going to blow out the ceiling, possibly put in a skylight, and just really open this room up. Across from the kitchen is this fully carpeted bathroom. That's right, fully carpeted bathroom, complete with gold sink and instructions on how to keep it clean. Very sweet of the previous owners to tell me how to keep it clean, but we will be replacing it. There's this awesome light fixture, and of course, the toilet. Right next to that bathroom is my office. Now, not a whole lot is changing in here. We're ripping up the carpet. I might paint the wood paneling. I might not. Depends how I feel that day. But I kind of really like this thing. Right next to the office is this little hallway. It contains 2 closets, a door to the garage, the laundry room, which I actually have big plans for. I never got to design a laundry room in my old house. This time, a laundry room will be designed, and the second half bath on the main floor. I mean, I don't know who needs 2 half baths on the main floor, but I'm not going to take one out. I'm leaving them both in. I'm not going to complain about extra bathrooms. It's time to make our way upstairs. We plan on removing the spindles, sanding them down, repainting them, and refinishing them to make them as good as new. We are not going to replace the spindles. There's this little closet right in the middle. This is one of the bedrooms. As you can see, carpet. You got a little bit of wood trim everywhere. Big fans of wood, carpet, and blue. Lots of blue in this house. Next to that room, hey, did I mention blue? There's some more blue for you. Even the ceiling is blue in this room, actually. Don't know if you can tell, but it is. Trust me on that. It is, it's blue, that's for sure. We actually really like the layout of the upstairs. Every room is sort of centered around the stairway. Kind of like it. It makes it feel cozy and homey. Right here is another bathroom. This is the 3rd bathroom in the house. There's 4 total. This one does look like it was updated relatively recently, maybe within the last 10-15 years. It's got a view of the barn and a bug. And, of course, a tub and all that wonderful stuff that a bathroom should have. We make our way now to what is the smallest bedroom of the house and will quite possibly be the walk-in closet because it's on the other side of the master bedroom, and the master bedroom has kind of a small ensuite closet combo thing, so we're going to see what we can work with. Here's another room with blue carpeting and wallpaper. Miles and miles of wallpaper. This is going to be a nightmare to get off. I'm not going to do it though. I'm giving those duties to Nighthawk. The 5th and final bedroom is the master bedroom with built-in box spring for the mattress. Yeah, this is a thing. This is an interesting thing. There is actually no lighting in the ceiling in this room at all. It's actually all in the like lamps. They use lamps, and there's this wonderful little curtain thing happening here, which is just held on by Velcro. Easily removed. Connected to the master bedroom is this walk-in closet / bathroom combo. Got some homemade built-in shelves there, a little mirror they left behind, and a decent view, kind of a narrow view into the pond, but a view nonetheless. This bathroom and closet combo actually didn't have a door, so essentially somebody could be taking care of business, if you know what I'm saying, and just be walked in on. It looked like it may have had a door at one point, but there was no door when we moved in, so it's interesting. And of course, this thing, it looks like some sort of a cryogenic chamber, but it's a shower. We're getting rid of it. Interesting colored countertop, and we've got some tile halfway up the wall, which looks kind of purplish to me. Of course, the main reason we purchased this place was the outdoor space. It is just calm, serene, and relaxing. You walk down the deck, which actually is in surprisingly good shape, just needs to be power washed and refinished, and you've got this wonderful little pond in the back with nature. Nature. So yeah, that's going to conclude the tour. It's a nice house. It's going to be incredible when we're done. We've got some big plans. Please subscribe, click the notification button. As soon as an episode gets uploaded, you will be notified. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.